And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest class up armor for the 30 Minutes Fantasy. We have the Dragonia Lords. Yes, so this is a class up armor for the Dragonian Knights. And as you can see in the box art, which is, again, this is something new because previously class up armors are in a vinyl or a plastic bag, but now it's in a box. Hopefully, this is what it is moving forward. Anyways, as you can see in the box art, you can see here the Dragonia Lord all dressed up. You can see the contents and, of course, how you can transform here from the Dragonia Knight into the Dragonia Lord. And off to the side here, yes, so these are all the parts of the Dragonia Lord. About the articulation of the wings is here, some poses you can do with him, and you have three helmet types for him, three or four. Yeah. And here it is, and of course you can interact or put it with other 30 minutes fantasy line. Off to the other side, here it is. Dragonia Knight to Dragonia Lord. Some information if you scan the QR code. And let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Sorry, I meant let's take a look what's inside the box. So opening up, we have one bag with three screws, all black and signature red color. Another bag with gold and a brighter shade of red. And it's only two. And of course, you have the instruction manual, which is kind of small. But here it tells you from, Dragonia Knight, it goes to Dragonia Lord, and of course you can put it into the other 30 minutes fantasy line. Yep. So here it just shows an example using the liver knights, but I'm guessing or hoping you can put it with whatever or whichever you want. Now let's take a look individually at the screws this time. Okay, so first off, we have here is the A1, which is all red color, a bright color of red. So we see here the main mass of the Dragonia Lord, parts of the wings, I guess. It also comes with an A2, which is, I think, is the weapons for the Dragonia Lord here. Then we have a B1, which is all the gold parts for the Dragonia Lord. And we have a B2 here. And the B2 here, as you can see, we have the different other masks that you can put to the Dragonia Lord and the wings. And lastly, we have the F, which is, I guess, some more parts of the armor. Yeah. And there you have it, 30 Minutes Fantasy, folks. That was what's inside the box of the class up armor for the 30 Minutes Fantasy Dragonia Lord. And I am really excited to see if there are any other creatures wherein 30 Minutes Fantasy will do this. And I hope it will become awesome. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, viewing other videos, sharing your videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.